Hello, my name is Chris Birkin and I am the CEO of Alta Sciences, and I have some exciting news to share with you. Now, early last year I announced our acquisitions of WCCT and Calvert Labs, and now I'm here to share that Alta Sciences has acquired Sinclair Research, a preclinical CRO located in the Midwestern United States. Now, this acquisition in the Midwest is the perfect complement to our current preclinical operations in Seattle, Washington and Scranton, Pennsylvania, whilst also being relatively close to our clinical facility in Kansas City. With Sinclair Research, we're adding significant capacity to Alta Sciences' existing preclinical offering and supplementing our expertise in IND and NDA enabling toxicology and safety pharmacology services. We're also going to be expanding our capabilities in research services to support biopharmaceutical, animal health, and medical device development programs. Of course, we continue to offer early phase clinical, manufacturing, analytical, and bioanalytical services, along with the full array of support services. And this acquisition is an integral part of Alta Sciences' strategic growth plan to provide a comprehensive, fully integrated early phase drug development solution to address the ever-changing outsourcing challenges of biopharmaceutical companies across the globe. As always, with Alta Sciences, you can select one service or a whole suite of services, because our goal is to make the drug development process easier and more efficient for you. We look forward to working closely with our new team of preclinical experts in the Midwest to continue delivering a synchronized approach to CRO and CDMO services, from lead candidate selection to clinical proof of concept and beyond.